Hi guys, this is Cassie here and welcome to this new video. In order to celebrate 100,000 subscribers, I have decided to bake a cake in the shape of a truck. I have never baked a cake before. This is gonna be very interesting, I think. So, what do we have? We have sponge cake bottoms, we have flour sugar, vanilla sugar, marzipan. We have two of these, one black and one white. I'm gonna use it to cover the truck up. We're gonna have, I was thinking Oreo wheels for the truck, and sprits, kristyr, I don't know these words in English really, and then color gel. So, the first thing we're gonna be doing is chocolate cream, I think. And I'm thinking I can use this. This is a spinning table made for clay making, but I was thinking, why not? Why shouldn't I use it? And this is a cutting board, it's very thick. I was thinking this could be a layer or the ground of the cake. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make maybe 2 layers of like a square ground here. And then we build the truck on top of it. So it's gonna be like a road and also grass, and then we have the truck driving on it. And it's gonna be looking like one of the trucks I drive at work, but with my traditional cat logo, the Razor Kitten logo on the sides. I think that's gonna be the trickiest part, and also making it look like a real truck. I am very nervous over this, but we'll see. So, the first recipe. Whoop. So 1 deciliter cacao. That's like a lot. Also, I haven't really gone with any calculating on how much I need of everything. I'm just gonna freestyle completely. And also, you know, if you have seen my previous baking videos, you know that they have always been from my live streams on Twitch. So they haven't really been YouTube videos from the start. Today I'm recording this offline, only for YouTube, not for Twitch. 1 deciliter of sugar, and then 3 deciliters of cream. I bought so much cream for this. I have 2 packages, almost full. I'm gonna take my balloon whisk that I got for my birthday last year by one of my friends. The problem is it has a wooden handle, and for some reason I have problem with wooden items. I have no idea where that came from. Yes, this is perfect, I think. Woo! It's like if I taste something at this stage, I will not be able to stop testing. But I think this is enough. So this one is going into the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, there we go. Next up is buttercream. I really hope this will taste good in the end. The plan with the cake is it's gonna taste like White Lady. 1, 2. Maybe I should have it like in room temperature, but it doesn't say that in a recipe. So I was thinking I could put the recipe for this in the video description, but it's like I'm not sure if this is gonna turn out well or a catastrophe myself. Since I'm not really following a real recipe, I'm just freestyling. Okay, 1 egg yolk, and we're good to go. Did I put it in? Yes, I did. Oh. Oh. And down you go. That dog. Alfie is not around. Hello, hello. So yeah, I'm gonna use the electric whisk now. You know what I learned? I think the butter should have been room temperature, or kind of sort of melted almost. The buttercream looks like this, and I'm not sure it's what it's supposed to look like. I think it should be more floaty. I'm just gonna leave this. I could start Call of Duty on my PC and just place the batter on top of the PC to warm it up. That should take like seconds. So I think we're just gonna start with putting cake layers on and just... This is what we made cake topping. Oh, it smells exactly like sponge cake. Maybe it is exactly like sponge cake. This one comes in 3 layers. And I'm gonna cut them in squares. We want to have like layers of nice filling here. Now I'm kind of rethinking the design. Should I have 2? I think I should have 2 bottoms. Yeah, the pterodactyl knife never disappoints. So I think I'm gonna have 2 of this. I hope it doesn't gonna be too much waste here. Now that's a fine booty. I bought 4 packages of this cake bottom thingy. It's gonna be really hard to get it synchronized. Does it have to be? Yeah, it does. Yeah, that's a good steady bottom, I think. We have to have a layer buttercream. I don't think this will be enough, not nearly. Can you just have normal cream as a layer? The last thing we want is to have a super dry cake, you know. I might as well take out some more butter because I'm gonna need more buttercream. No, seriously, I'm really interested. If anyone finds my channel, like from this video, and they're like, huh, you're a baker, huh? Let's see if I can learn something from this girl. And no. Like I said, I have never baked a cake in my whole life, not even the like finished pieces like this one. I have never made a cake. It's a good challenge. Look at that. I'm thinking maybe I should have 2 layers only in the bottom. Okay, now I'm just gonna cut it off without damaging the base. So 100,000 subscribers. When I got close to like 80,000, I was like, darn, I might actually reach 100k. I should make a special kind of video for that, like making a truck cake. Wouldn't that be cool? So I've been thinking since then, and new subscribers have just been coming in. And I'm like so amazed and grateful, and I think it's awesome that so many of you guys have found my channel and you enjoy what I'm doing. When I started my YouTube channel, I was thinking I'm gonna upload whatever I want because I want to make videos. I have always been a creative person. I've always been drawing and writing and expressing myself creatively. Before I started trucking school, I went 1 year in a media class actually. And that's where I learned how to improve photography, and I learned how to make movies. And after that I started making urban exploration videos actually. Only with pictures though. I added pictures and I put on music. I need more buttercream. This is nowhere near enough. What if I just put cream all over everything? And then I stopped making videos for a while, and I started focusing on my trucking career. I'm just gonna add some whipped cream. Okay, now we have some whipped cream. I'm just gonna, it still has some vanilla stuff in it. I'm just gonna cover this up. It's gonna be like a mixture of buttercream and normal cream. So I started working as a truck driver. I was very focused on that education. I didn't film as much as I used to at all. But I did take a lot of pictures of my work. I had this thing called Bilddagboken, where I published pictures from my life as a truck driver. And then of course Instagram took over, and at first I was a bit skeptical, like, oh no, a new social media thing. that I have to adapt to. But yeah, I really like Instagram. So it was a couple of years ago that I got this email from this like production company that were like, yeah, we're gonna make a show with truck drivers and heavy machinery operators, and it's only gonna be girls. Are you interested? It's gonna be like a reality TV show. And I was like, this sounds interesting. It could both be like people will make fun of everything you do, because that's what people do, especially in the trucking business, at least in Sweden. But I said yes. I was like, why the heck not? So I did send in footage, and they were like, yeah, this is great, just do this a little more or less. And I was like, cool, this is gonna be cool. And then I sent in some more footage, and suddenly they just stopped responding. And by the time I was really busy with other stuff, so I didn't think much of it. And then like a month after or something, I saw this Facebook post on a group for female drivers. It was one person there who was saying like, have you guys been contacted by this company that wants you to make videos for a reality TV show? And lots of people were like, yeah, they contacted me too. And me, of course, I was like, yeah, same here. We all figured out they stopped responding to all of us, and we were like speculating what happened. Did they cancel everything? Why didn't anyone let us know? So some time passed, and then I realized like I had this newly started YouTube channel. I had put up some gameplay videos and some clay art. And then I realized, what if this footage I made, this footage I filmed for this TV show, I know how to edit videos, I might as well publish it myself on my own channel. So that's what I did. Nobody really cared about that video because, I mean, the thumbnail, it's a truck. There's nothing like whoa or clickbaity or, you know. And I was thinking, wait, this is pretty fun, making videos while working. So I just continued making videos. I switched the truck and everything, and I published videos from that, and it was like, yeah. And I was driving my wood chip truck, and they have a special kind of unloading system, you know, if you have seen those trucks. So I was thinking, I want people to see this. So after that, my channel kept growing, and my videos became more and more truck related. So that's where we are. I'm still trying to improve. I have gotten new cameras through the years. I have no idea how much we need, but I think we're gonna just roll it out, flatten it out, and then just cover it up, you know? I hope that's enough, I have no idea. Just gonna flatten it out. Yes, sir. The black here is gonna be the road. Then we just cover the rest with more marzipan. Just remember, I am a truck driver, not a baker. It doesn't matter that it's ugly because this part is gonna be covered with cake and grass anyway. So look at this Frankenstein cake. And now we're gonna have the white marzipan. Like this. That's a good length. Water. Ooh, does it work? How is a truck gonna fit on top of this? We should put it in the fridge again. Make it cool down. Wow, it's getting really heavy already. I think this is when the tricky part begins. I'm gonna make some more buttercream. I did put out some butter that was gonna get warm, but I think I need more actually. Doing double the recipe right now. So 300 grams of butter It's all melted now. Maybe it's a bit too hot even. I'm just gonna pour it down. 2, 3. I hope that's enough. So there. This definitely looks more accurate, like buttercream. Maybe I should put it in the fridge a little bit because it is a bit too warm, I think. The butter was like really melted and it's actually has a bit of heat. So yeah, in here we go for a while. But I think the next part we're gonna do is just start building the truck. So we're just gonna try to cut it in good pieces and then we just stack it. What? What are you saying? Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, it looks good. I have a good feeling about this. Hire me, I can reverse trailers. Can I bake a cake? Wow, that looks really good. Okay, the next part. You know, I was thinking I could take this one and to know how much I have to cut, I can take to have the right amount of cake left. This is so freaking exciting. How is this gonna turn out? Viggo, are you stealing the cat food? I've told you. We have talked about that. Look, that actually looks really good. Gonna... Yep. The Leaning Truck Tower of Sweden. So far it is pretty accurate from what I have imagined from this cake. It's like a big sandwich. A big sturdy sandwich of calories. Wow. Just wow. The thing is, we do want to have we want to separate the front of the truck and the back of the truck, like the box part. I have an idea. Maybe we can cut out like a piece here to separate them. Don't cut too much there, Cassie. Maybe just separate it a bit here, and on the top we'll make the marzipan just float down there. That could work if cake physics will play my game. I am so excited to see how this is gonna turn out. Okay, so now we are going to start rolling out the rest of the marzipan. I do have this sticker here. I'm gonna take some guidance from. This is a Volvo, yes, and I'm gonna make a Scania truck because that's what I'm driving now. But they do have the kind of same rough lines. Take some flour as far away as possible. I'm gonna use the whole thing here because I think I need lots of space. Is it possible to dye this with food coloring? Because I'm thinking a slightly blue windscreen. What do you think of that, Viggo? Is that sure looks tasty. Oh, fudge. Yep, there we have it. What if I just... No idea, will it stick to the marzipan? I mean, kinda. Look at my hands, they're all blue. Food coloring is so freaking... It just spreads on everything you love. As long as I can get it onto the cake, it shouldn't be a problem. Well, this is the tricky part. The details. I'm just gonna do my best, but I guess there's limits to what you can do with pastry. At least I'm very happy with how the windows turned out. So I'm just gonna like roll out lots of white. It's not that straight anymore, but yeah, maybe. It's like he's wearing a little hat. Yeah, that's not bad, right? Please agree. The lights here, we should add the lights somehow. I don't have any yellow food coloring, do I? Wait, I have another idea. What if we use the sponge cake as yellow lights? I mean, it is basically the right color, right? Like that, yeah? I don't think that's too bad. It's really laying on the ground, this drug. For the wheel, I want to poke in this piece underneath. I'm gonna try to make it look like it's not laying flat on the ground. That was trickier than I thought. Nice, I like it. It just needs the mirrors now. Something like this, and somehow we attach it. How is this gonna work? Yeah. This looks really good. No one is allowed to say anything else. This is actually better than I expected. It's like, what if we take an Oreo and see what the wheels are gonna look like? They're like way too big. Maybe it could work, or I could make marzipan wheels instead. Let's pop it in there. Not bad. So I told my friends, you're coming over this Saturday, right? We're gonna celebrate. My YouTube channel had reached 100k subs. And they were like, yeah, but only if the truck looks like a cake. And only if the cake looks like a truck. And I'm like, what do you think of me? Of course it's gonna be a truck cake. Okay, we're gonna cover the rest of the truck with marzipan. So I think I'm gonna begin with the back of the truck. I'm not gonna do anything detailed there because I think I can't make it look good, and it's not that important anyway, you know. I'm gonna finish with the top part last. So yeah, just cover up the booty. I'm gonna try to keep the square shape of the cake, or like the box part of a truck. It has lots of Oreo crumbles here, so it's not really... Yeah, you're a good truck. This feels wrong. It's like, good job, little truck. So far so good, I think. And now I'm thinking I'm gonna make the little side parts here. Yeah, not too bad. And yeah. I need something. It's like naked on the side here. There we go. Just gonna squish this little piece in here so it's not naked here. What if this cake becomes so heavy it just collapses over itself? That's a possible scenario. Ooh, it's too much, man. Somehow this side seems smaller than the other side. Okay, let's cut out the last wheels on the truck. Yeah, we have a flat tire in the back here. Okay, it's time to get ready for this. This is really heavy, this cake. First I was thinking I was gonna draw this on the sides, but that's gonna be very tricky. So I'm thinking like, can I just use these stickers somehow? Like this, yeah? Maybe just here, because I'm thinking I should write Trucker Cassie on the sides instead with this gel glitter. Okay, let's see if I can write. It sticks really well. Yay! That looks really good. Wait. So, Trucker Cassie, how do you spell trucker? What the fudge? I felt like something felt wrong here. No, trucker. It's missing a K. Trucker Cassie. Well, that's embarrassing. Ah! Let's see if this side is any better. I told my friends, no one is allowed to laugh at my cake here. No one may laugh. What if we write 100K in the butt? Trucker Cassie, that's perfect! Yay! So, are we finished now? As a matter of fact, we are not finished. I do have another thing I'm gonna be doing. That's so stupid! What the heck, Cassie? How do you spell things? I don't know. I have no idea how to spell. So this is whipped cream with some vanilla sugar. We're gonna have grass on the side of the road because it's a beautiful nature we have going on here. Yay! I have made the first spritz. I have never done this before. Okay, so now we're just gonna make the grass. How hard can it be? Start in the... Whoa! In the edge here. Yeah, this is what the grass looks like. Perfectly symmetrical. This is so healthy. Yeah, I think we have it. So here's the thing. This is the first cake I'm ever making and it turned out better than I expected, really. The thing is, I kind of expected this cake baking video to turn out into a disaster. And I had still planned on making a party for my friends to celebrate. So since I figured this cake was gonna be a disaster, I kind of sort of pre-ordered a cake that was gonna look good, you know. So now I have 2 drop cakes. Let me show you the other cake. This is so heavy. This just in from the baker. This is a local baker that bakes on her free time. Let me see if I can... Yeah, I did have this sketch that I showed her when I made the order. Like this, I kind of wanted to look sort of like this. So this is the cake It is very wide. I love it. The problem with this video concept is that now I have 2 cakes to eat. So that's why I have planned to have a party this Saturday. I'm gonna invite some friends, we're gonna do a barbecue in the forest. Then everyone is coming home to me and we're gonna have a cake party. And I'm very excited to see which cake will have the best grade of my cake and the bought cake. From what I have tasted so far, it tastes really much like White Lady, which is like chocolate and vanilla base. So yeah, it's gonna be really interesting to test it all together when it's finished. Det är content.
Ja, det här är... Är det content ett kort?
Hej! Ja.
Men den fjärde kommer bli... Alltså de får köpa den just för att testa den fjärde. Ja. Snyggt alltså. Det är lite samma igen alltså. Ingen stress. Ingen stress. Det var något högt upp.
Så! Vad sa stjärnan? Och stjärnan? Ja, den ska springa.
Jag kan hjälpa allt. Det är bara något högt upp. Oj, oj, oj. På rätt nästan, ja. Det är det är eco-friendly. Precis.
Det är nermalda lastbilsdäck för att få den autentiska färgen.
Exakt. Ja. Cassie, du borde skicka in bilder på hur den såg ut och bara säga att det är en sån här lastbil jag vill ha med. Oj! Fan vad
Är det gröna wasabi?
So here we have my cake. It's all finished. It took me too many hours to finish. It has been a great, super fun project. I was so certain this was gonna be a disaster. It turned out way better than I thought though. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for 100k subscribers. Stay safe out there and see you out on the roads.